Hi, and welcome to Always Dolls. Today we share with you 4 easy crafts to make American Girl doll food for St. Patrick's Day. In this tutorial we make yummy 3-leaf clover cookies, pot of gold cake pops, pretzel pops, and colourful popcorn. Hit the like button if you enjoy this video, subscribe and share to help our channel grow. So, let's get making! Starting with the cookies, Google 3-leaf clover clip art and select an image for your template. We sized ours to fit inside a 4cm square. Print, cut down the paper, then glue your image onto cardboard. Now take your time to carefully cut around the shape. To add dimension, we will cover our cookies with paper napkins. Generously apply liquid glue to the front and back of the cookies. Then, take a small square of your napkin and wrap it around the cookie. You want to wrinkle and fold the napkin to give your cookie both bulk and texture lines. Use your fingers to smooth out the edges to keep the clover shape. Apply more glue and repeat with another square of napkin. We did 4 layers. When the glue has completely dried, it's time to paint. Lay down a light yellow colour all over. We mixed our yellow ochre with white paint. Following this, brush on just the yellow ochre to the tips of the leaves, stem and centre to appear as though the cookie is warm and freshly baked. At this stage, they look like the cookies from AG's Island Accessories set. Or you can go further and add faux icing with puffy paint. Take your green puffy paint and draw an outline slightly inside the cookie. Now fill it in. For this cookie, we also added orange stripes on top for contrast. Leave overnight to completely dry, then plate up to your dolls. Next, we made doll cake pops and pretzel pops. For this craft, we used small wooden beads and actual cake pop sticks. On a non-stick surface, squeeze out a blob of hot glue slightly bigger than your bead. Press the bead into the glue. You want the excess to form a ring around the base. Cut your cake pop sticks down to 5cm segments. Put hot glue on the tip and insert into your bead, ensuring the stick is straight. Once the hot glue has cooled, peel off and we have a cauldron-like shape. Paint this top section brown. It took a few coats for complete opacity. Now we can make the gold coins. Take a standard hole punch and cut circles from yellow fun foam. To up the realism, we drew tiny M shapes with a silver gel pen to turn our circles into yellow M&Ms. Glue your circles to the top of the pot, overlapping them so your pot of gold looks full of coins. On the back side of a sheet of contact release paper, draw pretzel shapes with a dark marker. We used the 2cm grid squares as our size guide. Flip over the paper to the shiny side and go over the pretzel shapes with your hot glue gun. Put glue on the tip of another cake pop stick and place a pretzel on both the left and right sides. Put more glue on the base of your third pretzel and position in the middle, making a 3-leaf clover. Paint the pretzels a light green colour. While the paint is still wet, sprinkle tiny pieces of yellow, orange and black fun foam for candy pieces. Set aside to dry. For a fun Irish-inspired popcorn mix, use the base of a plastic Easter egg container for your bowl and fill with white air-dry clay. Build up the clay to make a peak in the centre. For the kernels, roll a tiny ball of clay and press it flat between your thumb and index finger. Flick up the ends to curl the clay in on itself and make an irregular sphere shape. Place in the bowl and make more kernels. Remember, no two are the same. Some kernels can be larger and others smaller. Fill the bowl, working from the outer edge in. For more detail, gently use a dotting tool or even a toothpick, pushing it in the center of your kernel to enlarge the opening, just like a fluffy piece of popcorn. To decorate, we have these mini styrofoam balls bought from the dollar store. Pick out the green ones and adhere to the popcorn with drops of liquid glue. These mini clay stars were bought off eBay. Again, take just the green ones and place around the popcorn using liquid glue to attach. For more contrast, we took a dark green air-dry clay and rolled teeny tiny logs to complete the mix. When all the glue has dried, you can take yellow paint and dry brush over the popcorn for that yummy buttered flavour look. Finally, use a brown marker to apply ink inside some of the kernels for extra realism. If you want to keep crafting and make a green Irish themed drink, click on our DIY Halloween milkshakes video. If you haven't already, subscribe to Always Dolls. See you soon for more miniature crafting fun.